Streamlining escalation requests with rules and tags can save you time, reduce errors, and improve response times in your customer support workflow. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and use rules and tags to streamline escalation requests effectively. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to implement a more efficient process in your system, so stick with me. First, let's talk about why you need rules and tags in your escalation process. When requests are escalated, they often come with urgency. Without a streamlined process, it's easy for critical requests to get lost or delayed. That's where rules and tags come in. They help you categorize and prioritize issues automatically, ensuring your team handles the most pressing requests first. Let's start with the rules. Rules are your automated triggers. For example, if a customer indicates that they're experiencing a high priority issue, you can create a rule that flags their request as an escalation and assigns it to the right team member immediately. This rule helps eliminate the need for manual sorting and ensures that high priority cases don't slip through the cracks. You can set rules based on keywords, issue type, or even the severity of the customer's frustration. Now, let's move to tags. Tags are like labels that help you identify and track escalation requests across your system. Think of them as color-coded markers that highlight specific areas of concern. For example, you can tag a request as high priority, technical issue, or billing concern. The beauty of tags is that they give you an easy overview of which issues are coming in most frequently, allowing you to quickly adapt your strategy. It also helps your team quickly locate specific types of issues when reviewing cases or resolving problems. The real power happens when you combine rules and tags. Let's say you create a rule that escalates any ticket with the tag urgent to a higher tier of support. When you apply a tag, the system automatically recognizes it, and based on your rule, the escalation process is triggered. This means no matter how many requests come in, your team can focus only on the high priority issues that matter the most. Here's a quick example to illustrate this. Imagine a customer submits a ticket about a server outage. They use keywords like down or service disruption. The rule you've set up will automatically detect these keywords, apply an escalation tag, and route it to your top tier support team. This makes the process faster, more accurate, and ensures no request is left behind. But how do you do this on your specific platform? Well, I've tested several popular options, and I'm recommending you try this software. It's simple to set up, and I'm offering an exclusive free trial for viewers of this channel. You'll find the link in the description below, so you can follow along and implement these same strategies in your system. Now, the key takeaway here is that using rules and tags to streamline escalation requests isn't just about automating your workflow, it's about ensuring the right requests are addressed quickly and efficiently. By creating specific rules based on urgency and tagging requests appropriately, you can make your support process much smoother. To recap, first, set up rules to automate your escalation process. Then, use tags to track and categorize requests based on their priority. Finally, combine them to streamline the entire process and ensure your team responds faster. Before you go, I want to remind you to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for this software. You'll find the link in the description below, and it's a great opportunity to test out these strategies for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.